Any confusion in method overriding concept? Okay, fine guys. Now guys, I want to tell you one very important fact. Pay attention here. So guys, here we mention the best example for runtime polymorphism is method overriding. But guys, one more thing I want to tell you. One more thing I want to discuss it with you. Guys, that thing is runtime polymorphism is not completed. Means if we want to do 100% runtime polymorphism, complete runtime polymorphism, then guys, for that upcasting is compulsory. Are you getting my point, guys? To achieve complete runtime polymorphism, upcasting is compulsory. Okay. Now, guys, are you able to recall something? Are you able to recall something? Upcasting, nothing but non-primitive casting. The part which we left. Are you getting that? The part which we left in a casting. Guys, go in a flashback. There are two types of casting: primitive, non-primitive. Primitive, implicit, explicit, boolean. That part we already finished. In a non-primitive, now we have to start with upcasting and downcasting. Now this is the right time to discuss it. So ultimately, guys, now shall we take a heading as non-primitive casting? Shall we take a heading as non-primitive casting? Okay, okay. So guys, now so obviously guys, casting means nothing but conversion. So can I say guys, converting one non-primitive type of data into another non-primitive type is called as non-primitive casting. Okay, converting one non-primitive type of data into another non-primitive type is called as non-primitive casting. Okay, and there are two types of non-primitive casting, guys. One is upcasting and another is downcasting. Guys, note down up to this. Then we will start in detail what is upcasting, what is downcasting. Note down up to this. Guys, done with the copy? Yeah. So guys, now see what is upcasting. Okay, let me explain you in a diagrammatical manner. Okay, pay attention here. Let me explain to you in a diagrammatical manner, guys. So let's say, guys, this is parent, this is child. Okay, now guys, parent property comes to child. Can I say this is inheritance? Guys, yes or no? Give quick reply. Parent property comes to child. This is inheritance, nothing but extends. Okay. Okay. So guys, now see parent, child. Okay, it is done. So I will say this is parent and I will say this is child. Okay. Now guys, after this inheritance, okay, after this inheritance, guys, now pay the attention. After this inheritance, transfer child property to parent. Are you getting, guys? Transfer child property to parent is nothing but upcasting. Is any confusion up to this? Is any confusion up to this? After inheritance, child class property going in parent. This is upcasting. Okay. So guys, if you think technically, can I say, guys, one note that is for upcasting, inheritance is compulsory. Is everyone clear on this? For upcasting, inheritance is compulsory, correct? Then only upcasting will happen. Now listen, guys. After upcasting, okay, after upcasting means after giving property to parent, again send back that property to child. Again send back that property to child. This is nothing but downcasting. Is everyone get my point? Is everyone get my point? Okay. Now, guys, tell me, are you having the doubts in your mind now? Why, after inheriting, why to give property back to the parent? Okay. And if we send back, then why it will again return back to the child? These are only the real-time concepts, guys. Okay, we will deal with it. Don't worry. But this is only downcasting concept. And again, one more note, guys. Tell me, can I say for downcasting, upcasting is compulsory? Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay. Okay. Fine, guys. Super. Super. Note down this, everyone. upcasting, downcasting. Then I will explain you this concept in a very proper manner. Don't worry. Ah, guys, done with the copy? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, I will explain you this upcasting, downcasting, inheritance, overriding, all of this concept in a practical manner, in a one best example. Okay. But for that, guys, we have to listen one story. So, are you guys interested to listen a story and to get this concept in detail? Listen the story and get the concept in detail. Okay. So, observe. Now, guys, see what I am saying. Let's assume, guys, uh, one father, one son. Okay. So let's say, guys, this is father, this is son. Now, guys, what happened? See, father having a property as 2 BHK flat. Is everyone getting my point? So I'm just making a rough diagram. Okay. So let's say this is one house, one 2 BHK flat, 2 BHK house. This is the property owned by father. Okay. This is the property owned by father. Now guys, obviously father took this flat in his younger age, correct? When son is not that much matured or in sixth standard, fifth standard, something. So now guys, son also become adult. Okay. Son also become adult. Son having a job now. Okay. So son's age is also like he can prefer a marriage. That is the age of son. Now, I'll come to the part, guys. So, in this relation, can I say this property is almost 15 years old? Yes or no, guys? That much old property it is. Hey, guys, is everyone understanding? Okay. So, right now, guys, in this 2 BHK house, how many members are staying? One father, one son. That's it. Two members are staying, father and son. Now, guys, what fathers do? Suasmita, let's say in our story, mom is not there. Okay, don't worry. So, guys, father and son are staying. Now, what happened next? Son wants to do marriage. Father also wants marriage. Marriage of son. So, let's assume son's marriage done. After marriage of son, can I say, guys, three members are staying in the house? Fine. Father, son, and son's wife. Okay. Father, son, and son's wife. Okay. Now, guys, what will happen? Guys, as it is a newly marriage, okay. So, first 1 year of a marriage or 2 year of a marriage goes very, very smoothly. Okay. No argument, no quarrel, no problem, nothing. Everything is very much fine. So, first 1-2 years goes very smoothly. After this, guys, father thinks, anyhow, I am a retired person. Okay, I don't have. What happened, Pratiksha? What is impossible? Father, son, wife staying in one house. That is impossible, Pratiksha. Okay, no fight between them. That is impossible. Okay, okay. Huh. So, guys, don't worry, Pratiksha. Don't judge the story in the beginning. Okay, still suspense is there. Hmm. So, so guys, now first 1-2 years goes smoothly. Okay. Now as it goes smoothly, so father thinks, okay, boss, anyhow I am a retired person, so I will transfer this property, this house, to the son. So guys, son can get this property, father can deliver this property to the son. That means, can I say inheritance happens? Can I say inheritance happens? Okay, okay. Now, guys, now after this inheritance, one obvious thing, property goes to son. But can I say now it is 17 years old? Yes or no? It is a 17 years old property. So 17 years old property means, obviously guys, color is old, house is little bit old fashioned, and let's say styles are very olden style. Okay, in short, structure of that house is old. So now guys, can I say son need to do renovation of the home? Anyhow new woman comes in his life. Okay, So wife comes in his life. So obviously he will do some renovation. So let's say color change, styles change, interior, okay, interior decoration of that house entirely change. Kitchen is older style, now it change. Washroom older style, let it change. Everything is changed. Now it become new. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay. So guys, now can I say same house? See guys, tell me, is it like 3 BHK they make to 6 BHK something like this? Or is it like 3 BHK flat they break and reconstruct? No. Means can I say guys, declaration is same. Only implementation is changing. Yes or no? Declaration is same and only implementation is changing. Okay. So guys, means old color gone, new color, old styles gone, new styles, old kitchen gone, new kitchen, something like this. And still three people are staying together. Okay. So guys, can I say it is nothing but method overriding? Acquiring property from parent, change the implementation according to the child. Guys, are you getting real-time example? Declaration is same, only implementation is changing. So this is overriding. Now, let's assume guys, after this overriding, what happened? Son got transferred to new city. Assume, okay. So son is working somewhere. Now his company give him a transfer order. Now guys, as a son got transferred to new city, obviously son and wife will go. But will father also go? Tell me. They can move to new city as his job is getting transferred, but father will not go. Guys, are you understanding my part? Are you understanding my part? Okay. Surely father will not go. Then guys, what will happen? Can father say, okay boss, you two go in another city, stay there, okay, no problem. You have your job in another city, you go there, give my property return back to me, because if any kind of work is done, you will not be here. So I should have my own authority to take care of the property legally. Guys, are you agree with this? Because father will stay in that house only. So now guys, can I say son need to return back this property to the father? Son need to return back this property to the father. Okay. Now, guys, can I say it is upcasting? You only tell me. Can I say it is upcasting? Okay. And now my question is, when son will return back, will they do like this? Hey, this is my new color. I will take it back. Apply old color. Hey, this is my new kitchen. I will take it back. I will give it back to you, old kitchen. I will remove new styles. I will give old style. Is it possible? No. Means can I say guys, in a upcasting, whatever the overrided property is there, that overrided property go back to the father, go back to the parent. Is everyone clear up to this? Is everyone clear up to this? Okay. Now, guys, meanwhile, maybe chances are there son can have his own property also. Maybe chances are there, guys, they will have bike. Guys, possible or not? Son can have his own property, bike. So tell me, when he will upcast, will he give bike also? Will he give his own property also? No. Now you are getting correctly. Means guys, can I say in a upcasting only that property will go back which is coming from the parent? Are you clear? Okay. Only that property will go back which is coming from parent, which is inherited from parent. Now, one silly question. Guys, some people are thinking, sir, for upcasting is overriding compulsory? No compulsory, guys. See, in this example, son and wife can stay in old home also. Without changing color, without changing kitchen, they can stay. Same property will go back. If you change property will go back. If you didn't override, didn't change, same property will go back. No problem. But only that property will go back which is coming from parent. The property which belongs to child separately, personally, that will not go. Is any confusion up to this? Is any confusion up to this? Okay. Now, guys, now tell me, if let's say child class means child is doing overriding. Let's assume child is doing overriding. Then guys, as it will override, that means the property which delivered by parent and the property which received by parent, can I say these two properties different? Because of overriding, implementation is changed. Is everyone getting my point? Is everyone getting my point? Okay. So, guys, this is all about upcasting. Write down this. Write down this upcasting point, guys. Diagram, you can draw it later. First, write it down. Guys, then me to copy. So, is everyone clear with upcasting? Okay. Now, guys, let's go back to our story. Now, guys, upcasting happens. Son and his wife go to another city. Son got transfer. Everything happened. Now, guys, let's say after after 10 years they come back. Okay. After 10 years, guys, again son, let's say retransferred to same city or left that job, come back to the same city. End of the day, son and his wife come back. Now, guys, tell me, obviously, when they come back, they will stay in same house. Is it clear, everyone? After 10 years, when they come back, again they will stay in same house. So now, guys, son will finalize, let's say, boss, for my job concern, I spent my 10 years, 12 years in another city. But now I want to stay together with my father in this same city only. Here only I will do the job, everything. So they will stay together. Now, guys, can I say father again need to transfer property to the son? Yes or no? Because father also thinks, hey boss, now anyhow my son is here. So I will transfer this property again. And again, everything will go smoothly. So guys, after upcasting, transfer this property to the son again. Can I say it is downcasting? Can I say it is downcasting, everyone? Okay. After upcasting, return back. Okay. Now, guys, in this concept, you tell me when because of upcasting, father gets the property. So obviously, father acquire overrided property. Means, guys, father got 2 BHK house with new kitchen, new style, new color, everything. Now you tell me, guys, after upcasting, when son and his wife go to another city, do you think father will do any kind of changes? Will father change new color, new kitchen, new something? Never. Means, can I say, guys, the property which give by son and the property which received by son is same property. No change in implementation. Is everyone clear on this? Is everyone clear on this? Okay. Okay. So, guys, now, any confusion in a downcasting? Any confusion in a downcasting? Super. Guys, tell me, easy concept or not? Only initially you guys will feel it is difficult. Okay. So note down this downcasting point. Note down this downcasting. And guys, listen. Do one more thing. Okay. This is a theoretical clarity of upcasting and downcasting, but practically how we will do in a program, how we will do that part, guys, we will see in our next session. Okay. Today we will stop. That part we will discuss in next session. And now listen about tomorrow's timing, guys. tomorrow we are not having automation class. Tomorrow you guys not having Java class at 1:30. Directly we will have 5:30 section 3 class. Don't forget that. Is everyone noted this? Tomorrow we have 5:30 Java class with a section 3. Okay. Our this batch continue from Monday. Okay. Our this batch continue from Monday. Any confusion in this? Automation class also on Monday. 1:30 Java class also on Monday. 5:30 session also on Saturday. Okay. And guys, for your better clarity, for 5:30 session for section 3, I will prefer guys, you create a new copy. Don't mix in your section 2. Let section 2 goes smoothly in a separate copy. Let section 3 run in a separate copy. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Okay. So fine, guys. Today we will stop here. See you tomorrow in a section 3, 5:30. Webinar ID I will share. Okay. Don't worry. Fine, guys. See you, guys. See you, everyone.